Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're exploring the delightful world of herb gardening area design, and let's learn how to design and maintain a beautiful and productive herb garden. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. An herb garden is not only a functional space, but also a beautiful addition to any home, offering a bounty of fresh herbs for culinary and medicinal purposes. We'll delve into the concept of herb gardening area design, its numerous benefits, and practical tips for creating a thriving and visually appealing herb garden. We'll also discuss ideal plant selections to enhance your culinary experiences. An herb gardening area is a designated space dedicated to cultivating herbs. This can range from a small windowsill garden to a larger outdoor garden bed. The design of this space should prioritize functionality, aesthetics, and ease of maintenance. Here are several advantages of having herb garden at home. First, fresh, flavorful herbs. Enjoy the taste of fresh herbs in your cooking. Second, reduced food costs. Grow your own herbs and save money on grocery bills. Third, health benefits. Many herbs have medicinal properties and can boost your overall well-being. Fourth, stress relief. Gardening is a therapeutic activity that can reduce stress and anxiety. Fifth, enhanced outdoor space. An herb garden can add beauty and charm to your outdoor space. How to decorate your herb gardening area to look beautiful. To create a stylish and functional herb garden, consider these decorating tips. First, choose the right containers. Select containers that are both attractive and practical. Second, incorporate vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted planters or hanging baskets. Third, add decorative elements. Incorporate garden ornaments such as bird baths or wind chimes. Fourth, create a seating area. A small bench or chair can provide a relaxing spot to enjoy your garden. Fifth, use mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil quality. Here are some of the popular herbs to consider for your herbs gardening area. 1. Basil, a versatile herb used in Italian cuisine. 2. Rosemary, a fragrant herb with culinary and medicinal properties. 3. Thyme, a versatile herb used in a variety of dishes. 4. Oregano, a key ingredient in Italian and Mediterranean cuisine. 5. Mint, a refreshing herb with many culinary and medicinal uses. 6. Chives, a delicate herb with a mild onion flavor. 7. Parsley, a versatile herb used in many dishes. 8. Cilantro, a fragrant herb commonly used in Mexican and Asian cuisine. 9. Sage, a flavorful herb often used in stuffing and poultry dishes. 10. Dill, a delicate herb with a distinctive flavor. So, are you looking for fresh herbs year-round? These 10 designs provide inspiration for both indoor and outdoor herb gardens. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you create a beautiful and functional herb garden. 1. Classic herb spiral. A spiral-shaped garden bed is efficient and visually appealing. Plant herbs in tiers, with taller herbs at the bottom and shorter ones at the top. 2. Vertical herb garden. Maximize space with vertical gardening techniques. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or tower gardens to grow herbs in small spaces. 3. Kitchen windowsill garden. Grow herbs in pots on your kitchen windowsill for easy access and fresh flavor. 4. Herb garden in a raised bed. Create a defined and organized herb garden with raised beds. You can easily control the soil quality and drainage. 5. Herb garden path. Line a garden path with fragrant herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. This adds a sensory experience to your outdoor space. 6. Herb garden with a water feature. Combine the beauty of nature with the tranquility of water. A small pond or fountain can create a serene atmosphere. 7. Herb garden with a pergola. Create a shaded and romantic space with a pergola covered in climbing vines. 8. Edible landscape. Integrate herbs into your landscape design by planting them among flowers and shrubs. 9. Herb garden with a seating area. Create a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of your herb garden. 10. Container herb garden. Use a variety of containers, such as terracotta pots, ceramic pots, or wooden boxes, to create a unique and stylish herb garden. An herb garden is a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. By following these tips and selecting the right plants, you can create a beautiful and productive herb garden that will enhance your culinary experiences and your overall well-being. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.